Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everybody, pay attention please. Let's get started. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining me today. Let me take a minute to introduce myself. My name is Tian Arman Septian. I am student of Vocational High School to Ciamis, majoring in interior design and furniture engineering. What I want to do this morning is to talk to you about how to make computer decks based on my experience while doing paid work in Vocational High School to Ciamis. I hope my presentation is not going to take too long and that you will find interesting. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, before explaining how to make computer decks, do you know what is a computer desk? Computer decks are furniture pieces designed to comfortably and aesthetically provide a working surface that can host office equipment including computers, peripherals, and cable. They have a cable management halls, fewer drawers, and they are generally easy to assemble. Now, we will move on to the next slide. Point of topic. Let me begin by mention point of topic that I like to talk about. First, computer desk components. Second, personal protective equipment. Third, preparation of tool and material. 4. Creating a computer desk design. 5. Manufacture of computer decks. Now, we will move on to the next slide. Computer decks component. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. In this section, I will mention computer decks component. Computer decks consists of several components. First, top table. Second, table legs. Third, CPU base. 4. Upper threshold. 5. Drawer. 6. Footing. 7. Edging. Now, we will move on to the next slide. Personal protective equipment. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. In this section, we can see the preparation before entering workshop and starting work. We must use personal protective equipment first. First, wear pack to protect the body from hot or cold temperature. Second, safety shoes to protect your feet from sharp objects. Third, gloves to protect hand from sharp corner and rough surface. Fourth, masks to protect the respiratory organ from dust. Fifth, safety glasses to protect eyes from dust. 6. Air muff to protect air from noise. Now we will move on to the next slide. Preparation of tool and material. First, preparation of tool. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. In this section, I will mention the tool used to make computer decks. Radial arm saw, table saw, tilting arbor, hand jointer, thickness planer, mitre saw, hand sander, drill press, hand drill battery, hand planer, air nailer gun, clamp blade, clamp F, compressor, and finally spray gun. Now, we will move on to the next slide. Second, preparation of material. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in this section, I will mention the material used to make computer decks. First, block bar. Second, wood. Third, nail gun. 4. Glue. Now, we will move on to the next slide. Making design computer decks. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in this section I will explain the process of making design computer decks. First, make a sketch drawing of computer decks. Second, creating a working drawing using AutoCAD software. Third, make a set-out image. 4. Make a cutting list. Now, we will move on to the next read. Manufacture computer decks component. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in this section, we can see an infographic on the step for making computer decks component. Let me begin by mentioning component the computer decks that must be created. First, top table. Second, table legs. Third, CPU base. 4, upper threshold. 5, footing. 6, keyboard drawer. Make computer decks component from material block board using the table saw machine and tilting arbor machine. Step 1. Split block board using a table saw machine with a sheet according to the cutting list. Step 2. Cut block board using tilting arbor machine with a sheet according to the cutting list. Now we will move on to the next read. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, make edging top table and edging component from material wood using a radial arm saw machine, hand jointer, table saw, thickness planer, and meter saw. Step 1. Cut the wood plank using a radial arm saw machine. Step 2. Shaping wood using hand jointer machine. Flatten the wood onto surface. Step 3. Split wood using a table saw machine with a sheet according to the cutting list. Step 4. Plane all wood surface using a thickness planer machine to produce all the same thicknesses of wood. Step 5. Cut edging using a meter saw machine with a sheet according to the cutting list. Now we will move on to the next read. Assembly of component. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in this section I will explain the process assembly component. After the manufacture computer decks component is complete, then proceed to the assembly process. First, installation of the edging on the sheet of the component with wood glue reinforcement and nail gun. Second, giving wood glue at the end of the construction. Third, assembly all components with the help of the clamp. 4. Checking the angle of clamp. 5. Installation of screw at all points that have been determined. 6. Installation of the edging on the top table with wood glue reinforcement and nail gun. 7. Installation and adjustment of drawer rail. Now we will move on to the next read. Pre-finishing. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in this section I will explain the process pre-finishing. First, immersion of nail heads and screw that are still protruding from the surface of the component using a nail fin. Second, steering edging section using a hand plane. Third, detach the patch in component. 4. Sanding the parts that are not smooth. 5. Closing the pores of wood using wood filler is applied with a brush. 6. Sanding the remaining wood filler residues. Now we will move on to the next lead. Finishing. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in this section I will explain the process finishing. Step 1. Mat the wood filler using a sufficient amount of thinner. Then apply it to the entire surface of the computer decks using a brush to cover the pores of the wood. After the application is complete, Then send the surface of the wood to destroy any uniform wood fill residue on the wood surface. Step 2. Wood staining using wood stain. Apply wood stain to the entire surface of the wood using a spray gun or brush until you get the desired color. Step 3. Next, mix the sanding sealer, hardener, thinner with a ratio 9:1:6. After the mixing is complete, then apply the sanding sealer to the entire wood surface until evenly distributed. Let the sanding sealer dry. After drying, sand the surface of the wood with sandpaper. Number 400. Aims to smooth the sanding sealer layer that is not smooth. Apply sanding sealer coating to until 3 times for optimal result. Step 4. Top coat coating on the computer desk. Mix melamine clear lux, hardener, and thinner in a ratio 9:1:6. Then apply evenly to the entire surface of the computer desk. Do it in a deep flour after 2 until 3 layers of dry surface for optimal result. Now we will move on to the next read. Question part. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any question, I'll be very happy to answer them now. In personal protective equipment, you are demanded to wear them. What do you think if you just skip or ignoring not wearing personal protective equipment in your working process? Yes, thank you for your question. It's very good. Based on my presentation, personal protective equipment is needed by workers to maintain security and safety in a work environment that is full of risks. This is because there are many potential hazards in the work environment. For example, falling heavy objects, being injured by production machinery, or being exposed to chemical. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you are not satisfied, I offer another question. If there are no more questions, I will close this my presentation. And I would like to summarize my presentation, and I would like you to remember the main point how to make computer decks. To make a good computer deck, we have to work on it systematically, starting from preparation, personal protective equipment, preparation, tool and material, creating, design, manufacture computer deck component, assembly, pre-finishing, and finally process finishing. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to finish this presentation. That's all from me. Thank you for joining me. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.